Hi there, I'm Aria, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. Not all AI is the same, but let's explore 5 types that'll get you started right then. Imagine having a clever friend who answers your questions and completes tasks for you. That's basically what chatbots are, computer programs designed to have conversations with humans. Take ChatGPT or Claude, for example. They're like online companions that can help you with language-related tasks. Have you ever seen a stunning painting or photo that seemed almost too good to be true? That's the magic of image generation AI. It's like having a super advanced digital painter who can create incredible artwork from nothing. Midjourney and DALL-E are 2 examples of this type of AI. You know how Siri or Alexa can understand your voice commands and respond accordingly. That's the power of voice AI. It's like having a personal assistant who's always ready to help you with tasks, set reminders, or play music. Imagine having a self-driving car that takes you to work every morning without any human intervention. That's the idea behind automation AI. It's like having intelligent machines that can perform complex tasks on their own, freeing up your time for more important things. So, which type of AI should you start with? I'd say image generation AI is a great place to begin. It's all about creativity and visualization, making it easy to understand and get started with. Sorted. Now that you know the basics of these 5 AI types, what's your favorite one? Let me know in the comments below.